Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and actually be swatching, showing you guys these beautiful colors that now Addict went ahead and sent over to me. Make sure you use my discount code PRISCILA2 for money off your purchase. So in today's video, I will be doing these beautiful press-ons. This is a set that I came up with, so hopefully you guys like it. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and now show you guys the swatches. So here are all the colors. Make sure you use my discount code, like I said, PRISCILA2 for money off your order. And let me know which one is your favorite color down in the comment section below. Now let's go ahead and get into the set. So for today's video, we're going to go ahead and be doing some extra long coffin nails. So we're going to go ahead and start by using the color Less is More. Just look at how beautiful and shimmery pink this beautiful color is. It looks like it reminds me of a pearl. Anywho, we're just gonna go ahead and paint one coat on there very nicely. Overall, I love their gel polishes. They smell really great. They smell just like bubblegum. They smell super pleasant, which I like. Super easy to apply, very thin formula. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do one coat to each nail, and then we're gonna go ahead and then cure for 30 to 60 seconds. To clean up any areas that I got on my skin, I'm going to go ahead and use this brush here and just some alcohol, and I'm just using that to clean up my sidewalls in case I got any gel polish onto my skin. So this is how the first coat looks. I went ahead and cured that, and now we're going to go in and apply our second coat. Once we've applied our second coat, then I'm going to go ahead and then cure that again for 30 seconds. So this is how the nails look. Next, I'm going to go in with some breaking news. Then I'm also going to be going ahead and placing some of the Paradise Fiesta color. Then I'm going to go in and use the XXC liner brush to draw a squiggly line. But beforehand, we are going to go ahead and use some base coat to go ahead and just make sure that our brush is really smooth to draw the lines. Then I went in with my actual color, which is the breaking news color. And I'm going to just go ahead and draw a squiggly line diagonally across the nail. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. So once I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and use this liner brush here. And I went ahead and used the color Paradise Fiesta, and I'm just trying to thin line, basically outlining the little squiggly line that I did beforehand. Then I'm going to go ahead and then cure this for 30 seconds. Now onto the pinky, I'm going to draw a line diagonally across the nail. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill that in, and then we're going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to be using these water decals, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut up the ones that I want, just like this. So I do want to say I did make a little mistake here. I forgot to remove the film for one of them before, the little plastic thing that it has there. But anywho, I went ahead and just grabbed some water onto my towel, and I wet the towel, and then I placed my decal right on there. Like I said, I removed the film on this one. I placed it on there, and I'm just basically moistening the water decal beforehand. Then I'm going to use a stamper, and I'm just place it downward onto the nail. Then I'm going to go ahead and be using my towel and some water to go ahead and just make sure, you know, that I'm able to remove the decal just like this. Now I just went ahead and placed my decal onto the nail just like so. This helps it not get wrinkled or anything like that, and helps my placement way better. Just look how beautiful that looks. I went ahead and used my finger to pat that down into place, just like so. And then I went ahead and did the same to the other one. This one did not come out the best because, how do you call it? I forgot to remove the little plastic thing here. You guys can probably see it right here. You guys see the plastic there? Anyway, I ended up fixing that, but I went ahead and placed it onto my stamper, then stamped it onto my nail. And so this is how the nails look. So next, I'm going to be using my XXC foil glue. I normally use my Nail Supply Glamour, but I have to pull this one out because the other one doesn't work as well anymore. Anywho, I'm going to place a very thin layer onto the nail, then I'm going to be curing for 90 seconds. Once that's cured, I am going to be using some alcohol just because this is the way this foil glue works. I went ahead and sprayed some alcohol, then I'm cleaning that tacky layer that the nail foil glue leaves. I'm also using my towel with some alcohol to go ahead and just make sure that the nail foil has some alcohol on there too. Then I'm using my nail to go ahead and transfer the design onto my nail. I did mess up this design just because I didn't use the part where, you know, you're supposed to transfer. I think I did it upside down. But anywho, I went ahead and did the exact same steps and it worked perfectly. I just didn't show it. But anywho, I'm going ahead and rubbing that in for like about a minute or so. Once we're done, I went ahead and removed that, and now we're going to go in and apply our top coat. Then I'm going to cure my top coat for 30 seconds in our lamp. So here is the final result. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Do you guys love these nails? And also don't forget to comment down below which color was your favorite. As always, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye and happy late 4th of July.